Hello, local listener. Today we're going to talking about quality score of the Google Ads. If we understand, if we are trying to understand about quality score, then we have to understand about the options of the Google Ads. So, what is actually options? If we trying to understand about options, before we're going to in a browser. So, if we search in the Google plumbing New York or any kind of pine into keywords, then we can see there is some sponsored result. So in the sponsored result, we can saw some ads. I mean Google ads. There is a lot. There is some Google ads or website. Uh, One, two, three, four. There is a four Google ads here. But the question is why these ads is number one, these ads is number two, and this is number three or four. The answer is by the auctions. By the auctions, Google decided. By the auctions,
Ion
Google.
equals
By the auctions, Google decided uh, that which ads will be number one and which ads will be number two and three. So in the auctions, how Google decided the auctions? Google actually decided the auctions by two ways. Number one is bidding, and number two is quality. If someone's bidding and quality score is high, bidding plus quality score, uh, and actually bidding into if someone's bidding into quality score is higher than others, then he won the auctions, and then his ads gone on the number one. So there is some options as a Google Ads expert or as a businessman. There is some options that Google can cut our budget uh, little bit less than others if we can do better in the quality. So if I give you an example, then you can understand very well. If someone's budget is very high, and the rich man, he has a budget in $100 per day, and for his quality score is 5 or 7, then his actual option is 700. But if someone's budget is $90, but his quality score is 10, then he won the auction and his score is 900. So in the Google Ads, he won actions and his website will be number one. So you can ask me now how we can improve our quality score. So quality score actually depend on three factors. Number one factor is ad relevancy. Number two factor is expected CTR, and number three factor is landing page experience. So what is ad relevancy? Ad relevancy is actually what we search on the Google, I mean the keywords and the relevancy of the ads. Uh, I mean, if someone searches plumbing Newark, then if someone's ad have to be these keywords also. So we can see the plumbing Newark we have in the headline on these ads, so that this this ad actually fulfill the ad relevancy sections. So we have to um, make sure that our ad will be fulfill the ad relevancy. And after that, what is expected CTR? Expected CTR is that If someone search in the Google and get your ads, and how much people are click on through of your ads. So the simple answer is, if your ad relevancy is better, then the people will obviously click on your ads. So this is also depend on the ad relevancy. So we have to improve our ad copy. So, and number three option is landing page experience. If someone click on your ads and his landing page experience is good, then the landing page, and then the options is the quality score is increase. So how actual landing page experience can be better, I will give you classes, and I will give you videos about it. So no worry, to touch it. But in short, if I tell that actually what we, what someone searching the Google, the keyword score and the keywords, and what, and also after that he clicks on the ads, and what for that, why he is clicking on that, because he is uh, because he is expected, or what he want, he find on the ad, that's why he click. So when he click at that time, when he landing in the landing page, then when he found that things what he wanted to found, then landing his landing page, and he is happy, and his landing page experience is better. There is a lot of another options, another qualities like landing page speed, and landing page color, landing page design, each and everything, lots of things. But this is the magic thing. So if these three things have been fulfilled, then quality score can be high. Actual quality score is rated by Google, and they give me out of 10. So how we can see our quality score? So if we go to Google Apps, then we can see actually quality score is given by the keywords. So this is the keywords, and if we put in the column, then customer column, uh, offset keyword for this item. You can see this is the keyword for this score, and if you click here, then you can add the quality score, add relevancy, landing page experience, and expected CTR, and then save the customs. So, and if we apply on it, then we can see each and every everything on the on this on here. So you can see, by the keywords there is a lots of quality score. So car barrier car detailing very well. The quality score is 7 out of 10, and and the why this is got 7, you can see here ad relevancy above average, I mean, mm, above average and down of the average. That means, and sorry, above average means uh, up of the average. It is up of the average. The ad relevancy is good. Landing page excellence is average, and CTR is average. That's why this score is 7. And some of the land- some of those also high above average. Landing is experience above average, and CTR expected CTR average. So that's why it is this 8, and I think this is see, there is some mark. So you can see that Google gives the quality score by the ad relevancy, landing page, and expected. So what do you can understand? So we can understand that if we do better in the uh, by making ads and by get high quality score, then we can reduce and we can save our budget. So that this is very important things, and it's all about as a business expert, or as a businessman, it's all about we always try to make high quality score, and the actual main thing as a Google expert, we have to make sure how to how to less use our budget, and how to properly use our budget for our targeted customer. So that's why the quality score is very important for us. So that's it today. I hope you can understand better. I tried. It's a very hard thing. I try to understand. I try to explain very detailedly, so you can understand very better. But if still you don't understand anything, or if you feel anything, you need to more detailedly understand, you can comment me on the comment section, and also you can log me on our Google on our WhatsApp number. So I give you the WhatsApp number in the description below. So you can log me and ask me anything you want. So that's it today. I hope um, your day will be better. I will- Thank you so much for today.